The AT&T BGW320 gateway is a critical piece of equipment that connects your home to the internet. This device uses a system of LED lights to communicate its operational status, helping you understand what's happening with your connection at any given moment. These LED indicators act as a visual communication system, instantly showing you whether your internet is working properly, if there are connection issues, or if the device is performing maintenance tasks. White lights are generally positive indicators. A solid white light is what you want to see. It means your gateway is operating normally with full internet connectivity. Everything is working as it should. A blinking white light indicates the device is in a transitional state. This could mean it's starting up after being powered on, downloading and installing firmware updates, or working to establish a connection with AT&T's network. This is normal during startup or maintenance periods. Green lights indicate successful connections. A solid green light means your Ethernet cable connection or Wi-Fi network is properly established and ready for use. This confirms that the physical connection layer is working correctly. A blinking green light shows that data is actively being transmitted through your connection, or that you have partial connectivity. This blinking pattern is normal when devices are communicating with the internet or when the connection is being established. Red lights indicate problems that need attention. A solid red light is the most serious indicator. It means there's either a complete service outage in your area or a hardware failure with your gateway device. A blinking red light suggests authentication failure, meaning your gateway cannot properly identify itself to AT&T's network, or there are severe connectivity problems preventing normal operation. The red broadband light is specifically related to internet connectivity. This indicates that while your gateway may be powered on, it cannot establish an internet connection or has failed to authenticate properly with AT&T's servers. Understanding these light indicators is the foundation of troubleshooting your AT&T BGW320 gateway. Each color and pattern tells a specific story about your device's status, helping you quickly identify whether your internet connection is working normally or if there are issues that need to be addressed. By learning to read these visual signals, you can often determine the nature of connectivity problems before taking any troubleshooting steps, making the resolution process more efficient and targeted. When your AT&T BGW320 gateway shows problematic lights, start with the most effective solution, power cycling. This simple method resolves 70 to 80% of all gateway issues. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, check all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of connectivity problems. For persistent issues, perform a factory reset. This will restore the gateway to its original settings and often resolves configuration-related problems. Before assuming your gateway is faulty, check for service outages in your area. AT&T provides an outage map that shows current network issues across the country. Network specialists recommend ensuring proper environmental conditions for your gateway. Temperature and ventilation issues can cause intermittent connectivity problems. If the red light persists for more than 24 hours after trying these troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact AT&T support. Professional technicians can diagnose service line issues and hardware problems that require expert intervention.